Good morning, world. It's Control. Today's Friday, April. I don't know what date it is. April 7th. Let's say it's the 7th today. Just had a dank little breakfast. Now I'm off to PT. What's up, Valen? I just got back to the house. Mike gave me a ride. We were supposed to go outside and shoot some photos for a little social media photo shoot. Unfortunately, it is a hurricane outside right now. Just look at this shit. It's windy. Okay, guys, I want to talk about something really quickly that just kind of popped into my mind when I woke up this morning, and that's the idea of peaks and valleys. All my creatives out there, you guys are going to really resonate with this little chat because, you know, myself personally as a creative, we all go through, you have peaks where you're working at a very high level, very intense, and you're doing what you need to be doing. And then you have a valley. Your work ethic has dipped. You can't seem to find the motivation that you once had. Maybe the inspiration isn't there. Whatever it may be, we've all gone through it, whether it's at your work, whether it's, you know, creative endeavors, whether it's at, you know, dealing with your family maybe. In life, there's big peaks and valleys. You know, this week especially, I've been on a big peak. I started this vlog. I started a social media marketing company with one of my very good close friends, Mike. So that was the peak, right? And then the valley, which I knew this was coming, right? When you're at a peak, at least me personally, because these have been such a big part of my life, whenever I'm up here, I always know in the back of my head, like, oh shit, that valley is coming. You might want to prepare yourself. I never do. But what I'm trying to get out here is that you should embrace those peaks and valleys, you know? Just because you're in a valley down here doesn't mean that you should discredit what you create down here. You know, this is essential to getting to this peak up here. You need to be down here in the river working on your craft before you can actually ascend up into the mountain. And it's always, you know, my life is a constant just big fucking sine wave. This morning, I'm not gonna lie, I woke up and I felt pretty crappy, you know? I stayed up late last night. I've been working crazy hard this entire week, so I binged on video games, I binged on junk food, and I woke up feeling like shit, you know? That's the consequence that you pay, so. And I think that just talking about this right now is already helping. I already feel better. Yeah, keep climbing that mountain. Okay, it is Saturday, the 8th, resuming the vlog. It's a beautiful day out, and we're gonna try to take some pics. This is my father, in case you couldn't tell. And we're gonna go eat some breakfast. that place had a 35-minute wait. We're not doing that.
Oh, it doesn't look good for a video project. If it was broken clouds, that's fine. That's good light.
Look at those storm clouds, man. All right, y'all, so I just got back to the pad. Unfortunately, it's not looking too good outside. I don't think we're gonna shoot any photos today. C'est la vie, what are you gonna do, right? So, I'm just gonna clean up around this. Studio's looking a little bit messy right now. I'm just gonna tidy up. Mike's coming over and we're gonna work on some music today.
Cocaine.
You're going to Court's house?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, I've showed my ID to a couple people here, and they're like, California, what the fuck you doing?
Oh yeah, same thing. But hey son, would you like some heroin, some meth, or would you like some water? I'll take the meth over the water. Thank you. Dude, I was just saying, hey, my buddy Alex, and this other dude Clayton, he was happened to be in our class. He's actually in the book I wrote called People You're Forced to Know.
Hey,
This
some good old boys from Montana.
Yeah. Get back to her story. They find in the hookers, right? So.
Okay, guys, so what you didn't see from that last clip was while me and Valen were chatting as we normally do, things got a little bit political. Things got a little bit heated because you could say we're on a little bit opposing sides of the spectrum. I got a little offended. I did. And then he left, and we were both kind of a little bit angry, I think. And then I thought about it for a little while, and you know, I still have the same viewpoints that I did, but I kind of realized a little bit more where he was coming from and his point of view, and realized that I shouldn't have got offended. And I just want to say that I think that more people in America specifically should do that, you know? I think that, especially with this recent election, it's made a lot of issues black and white that aren't necessarily framed in that reference. So I know I did a monologue on this vlog already, you guys, but I just wanted to say that, and I thought it'd be kind of a good ending point for this one. Stay up.